Hey Go Hi lovers, in this video we will be discussing about how to install Win Loser Draw. We are on the agency level right now. We can find for the app marketplace from here and search for Win Loser Draw. It is, let's install from here. It's up to you. You want to install it on any of your specific sub account. You can choose multiple sub accounts or you can choose them all. If you choose them all, it will be also giving you the option to enable automatic future installation. But right now we will be just choosing our specific sub account that is was a test. Continue with that. In a moment it will be installed from here, as you can see. Now move forward towards our sub account. Here we are. Let's find for the automations to create a workflow and to check on what value is being provided by win, lose or draw. You can find for the automations from here. Let's create a workflow, start from scratch. We are in our workflow builder. Let's just create a new action. Find for win, lose or draw. These are the actions that are being provided by Windows or Draw. You can use this one or either this one. It's up to you. Options will be available. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.